if you want to insert a blank row after every row inside an array, then simply click on the formula bar, apply the expand function, open parenthesis, what is the array? This whole text is my array, which is just a reference of another sheet, hit comma, leave the rows parameter, and for the column parameter, simply type 2, hit comma, and for the paid width, in this case, I'm going to type a null value, close parenthesis, hit enter. Now click again after equal sign, and now apply to column function. Open parenthesis, what is the array? This whole text is my array. For the ignore parameter, I'm going to simply type 0. And for the scan by column parameter, I'm going to type false. Close parenthesis, hit enter, and this is how you can insert a blank row after every row. Now this technique is very useful if you want to create some amazing cool chart, which I'm going to show you in my next video.